Hi, my name is Pat. I'm the Technical Services Supervisor for the ARDEX and Henry Company. And I'd like to talk to you today a little bit how to improve your technical skills, your efficiency on a job site, the productivity on a job site, to be able to work fast, work smart with ARDEX. Here's some ways that we can support you. Our technical service department will answer calls and emails from the field, and these are the same folks that you may be speaking with that will star in our videos. They have unparalleled industry and product knowledge. Also, our service department for customers is available to handle non-technical calls and answer any procurement questions that you may have as well. In the field, and really important, are our sales professionals that are technically trained in our ARDEX products. They can do job walks, help you find any solutions that you need for your project, and can facilitate anything in writing via a job site report. Our technical communications team, comprised of professional technical letter writers, can draft jobs letters to help you ensure successful installations and help you close projects. Our technical field reps are located throughout the country as well as in Canada and in Latin America. They have decades of industry experience and can do localized trainings with you and provide any support that you may have in your territories. Technical service consultants based out of Aliquippa, Pennsylvania, here in our home office, can also do job start visits, pump starts, as well as job walks. We also offer virtual training opportunities. These trainings are done in our traditional academy settings, conducted online via PowerPoint, and set up through our sales professionals. They can also request the training through your sales representative and through your sales pros. These presentations can be done with hands-on demos by the sales professional at the same time doing a virtual attendance training. Adjusted training practices to support our customers are also available. These will bring one-on-one trainings directly to you in a timely fashion for all of your project needs. Also, check out our YouTube channel and our website. We have videos and product packages and pages and a video library of webinars for you to review. Find us at our website at ardexamericas.com. If you want to find your sales professional, contact the number on the screen. Thank you.